Hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gabby here, and it is day 3 of our belly fat burn challenge, all right? With a seated workout today, all right? A seated muffin top workout. You're gonna love it, so let's get into it. All right, so our exercises today, we're gonna be doing a side jump twist, all right? Feet go one way, your torso goes the other way, all right? And continuously. Side jump twist, and then we have an inside foot tap, all right? Very good, and then an oblique crunch, side to side there, and then a torso twist to end it, all right, with a classic. And there we have it. "30 seconds on the clock, starting with our side jump twist. Big breath, and let's go. And 3, 2, 1, very good. Open up those arms, inside foot tap. Big breath, let's go. And 3, 2, 1, very good. Shake it out, hands behind your head. Big breath, oblique crunch. And 3, 2, 1, very good. Shake it out, feet together, torso twist. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and there we have it, set 1 of our day 3 workout. Take a second, grab some water, and then we're gonna do it again. Alrighty, set number 2 of our seated belly workout today. Big breath, take your time, quality over quantity, good posture. Starting with our side jump twist, and let's go. And 3, 2, 1, very good. Shake it out. Open arms, inside foot tap. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Shake it out, very good. Hands behind your head, oblique crunch. Three, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out. Big breath. Close those feet. Torso twist. Three, 2, 1, and celebrate. 2 sets, done, dusted. Take a second, grab that water, catch your breath, and then we're gonna do it one more time. Crush set number 3 together. All right, we are almost there. One more set to go. You got this. You're doing amazing. All right, starting with our side jump twist. 30 seconds, and let's get it. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out. Open arms, inside foot tap. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Shake it out. Very good. Hands behind your head. Oblique crunch. Three, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out. Big breath. Close those feet. Torso twist. Three, 2, 1, and celebrate. 3 sets of our seated belly workout for day 3. If you're posting these sessions online, on socials, whether they're pictures or videos, hashtag us, Svelte Challenges, all right? We wanna see you, we wanna see what you're doing, and let us know in the comments what other challenges you would like to see and what you think of this one, all right? And don't forget tomorrow for day 4 with Coach Greg. See you there.